Let's write the uppercase letter F in the order of the numbers 1, 2, 3.
B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr. D is for dog with a happy fur.
Uppercase F. Let's write the lowercase f too. Lowercase f. Good job! What kind of animals do you like? Do you like deer? Let's feed the cute deer. F is for feed. Do you remember the shape of the letter F? Fish, fox, flower, 4. Shall we find the letter F on the picture cards and color them? F is for fish. Shall we find the letter F on the picture cards and color them?
1, 2, 3, let's go learn. You and me, the alphabet is fun. Now we know our ABCs, singing, dancing. 1, 2, 3,
F is for fox. Shall we find the letter F on the picture cards and color them? F is for flower. Shall we find the letter F on the picture cards and color them? That's right.
G is for goat, climbing so high. H is for hat, reaching to the
F.
sky.
F is for 4. Good job. It's so much fun playing with friends. F is for friends. I caught my friend who almost fell while running. Let's play carefully so we don't fall down. F is for fall. Let's guess what letter goes in the blank space. F. What letter comes before uppercase F? The answer is uppercase E. Let's glue the letter we found.
The beat. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof, now. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is
good
for fish,
job.
swim all day long.
Do you know what letter
Come
goes
along,
here?
sing with me. Let's
That's
play
right.
ABC.
The answer
Clap
is
your
uppercase
hands, stomp
G.
your feet. Learning letters is so neat.
Good job. And uppercase H.
H is for house with a rooftop. I is for ice cream, cold and fun. J is for jam, yum,
Let's
yum,
read
yum.
them
P
one
is
by
for kite,
one.
flying so high. L is
E,
for lion, king,
F,
the wild sky.
G, H. Now let's guess the lowercase letters. Let's find the letters in order and paste them.
Learning letters is so neat. M is for
That's
monkey,
right.
giggling loud. N is for night with stars and clouds. O is for open
Lowercase
great big
d.
door. P is for pig, oink, oink,
Do you
along.
know
Q is
what
for
letter
queen,
goes
wave
here?
hello.
That's
R is for
right.
rabbit, hop, hop, go.
Lowercase e.
Come along, sing with me.
Lowercase
Let's
g.
learn the ABC.
Good
Clap your
job.